Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of HammerHead, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install an overhead rain shower without doing any fancy plumbing. There's no ceiling mount shower arm here. We're gonna go from this to using an overhead arm with a 12-inch rain shower head. So let's get into it. So what you'll need for this installation, we have our 12-inch rain shower head by HammerHead Showers, our 16-inch overhead shower arm we're using, and Flange by HammerHead Showers. Includes thread tape. Got an adjustable wrench to remove the old shower head and tighten on the new one. A screwdriver that'll help installing the shower arm. A little wire brush to clean inside the wall and the threads. A Allen wrench, which is used to tighten the flange onto the arm, which comes included. And then, there's a little cloth here, which we'll use to throw over the drain. That way, that Allen screw does not go down the drain. So, let's get started. We'll remove the old shower head. We'll put that right there. And then I'm just going to take the screwdriver. That's out. And then you're going to want to, this pulled out pretty nicely. Get any old stuff out of them. Looking pretty clean in there. Okay. Before you get started installing this shower arm and putting thread tape on, you're going to want to take the shower arm flange and slide it over the shower arm, and you can just go ahead and tighten it down with this included Allen here. Because then we're going to take our thread tape, and looking at it this way, it's going to go into the wall. We're going to apply the thread tape counterclockwise, okay? We'll smooth that out really nicely there. Okay. And now we'll go ahead and put that into the wall, and we'll catch the threads, and we'll begin tightening this down. All right, and before we slide the flange back and tighten it to the wall, we're going to run some water through it and just make sure there's no leakage. So you'll want to look and make sure there's no water coming in out from here. Okay, you flash a light in there, check it out. See any water beading out? Got to take it out, retape it, tighten it down some more. So now that we did the leak test, we'll go ahead and okay. So that's fixed nicely to the wall there. There you go. And then we're gonna attach the rain shower head here. So we'll put some tape right here. And with the washer seated in there, tighten that down nicely. Grab the adjustable wrench, give it an extra turn. over tighten it. That should be good. Well, so there you have it. So we went from this to that in under 10 minutes. So let's run some water through it and test for leaks on the rain shower head connection. So looking right here, leak free. If it was leaking there, make sure that, again, that washer is seated in there, you have enough thread tape, and it's tightened down securely. Now, look at that. So there you have it. We upgraded from a little tiny shower head to a humongous 12-inch rain shower head without any fancy plumbing in a little bit of time. So don't be afraid to try this at home. I'm Justin Ball, the showerhead guy, signing out for now.